Yes, hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Yeah, it's Green Peeps the Freaks again. Yes, as usual, we just still proceeding with the release of our setups on how you could upload them concerning on for our break or structure. But good enough, I would like you to remind that don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like it, don't forget to share. Why do you say that you don't forget to subscribe? That we are still releasing the new videos concerning with the breakout structure, concerning how to upload the market, concerning how to see the inside knowledge about the forex market, concerning how to upload the setup, concerning how to differentiate between the trap and the setup. So when you subscribe, you will be able now to be alerted that on this day, because we are releasing the new videos every weekend concerning how the last week went, how the coming week is going. So through that, you'll be able to know that where are you expecting to exist, where are you expecting to enter, basing on this strategy of our breakout structure. Okay, all in all, don't forget also to leave a like over there. Don't forget also to share to others so that they can get the same note that you get from this channel of Game Tips Effects. Also, don't forget to leave your comment there that if you didn't understand something, that you'll be aware for us and you can know how it will help you. Before all of that, now let's proceed with how we could have been taken this trade. Like you see here, the trade is going down like that one. Okay, like you see the trade is going down like that one. So I'm going to explain just in depth, because last week I just explained a little bit how we could have been taken this, but today I'm going to explain it on just basing on this pair, on how it happened and how we could have been taken this as an advantage for more these people. Because if you try to look like now, the trade is more online than more than 100 pips, I mean more than 200 pips like now. Okay, now let's start. Like you see that last week on Friday, we just see this break. This was low, it was high, and we broke this structure around here. Let me try to cut this one, and we broke this structure around here. Why do I say we broke this structure? Because this was low, it was high, and it closed above. Closing above means that we have hit the phase. Closing above, it means that we have shifted the phase. We were in impassive phase, and we are going in correction phase. So that being said, this one becomes our forward breakout structure. But that was not fair enough. We should go in lower time frame, either in 1 hour, and find the same thing. But before going there, we had an alert on their time frame. Their time frame, it was telling us that we had high, low, high, and we broke him low. So their time frame, it also tells that we have shifted the phase. So what we were waiting, we are just waiting for our breakout structure to finish it first, to go for the counter trend, so that we can ladder in and we can take that trade basing on that counter trend, like it happened around here. Now after seeing daily how it does, and now let's see how 1 hour happened. Like you see, 1 hour we had a low, we had a high, and we broke the structure. Like you see, this was low and this was high, and we block the structure in 1 hour time frame around here. But if you come in 4 hour time frame, you see that this was 1 hour, this was 1 hour time frame, how it went. Let me try to level it. This one here, this was 1 hour time frame. So what I'm trying to explain to you is that so this was 4 hour. Let me remember 12. This was 4 hour. I mean this one here, it was 4 hour down here. This was H4, and this one it is H1, and this one it is H1. So what I'm trying to say, that you should be aware that all time frame should break this structure. I mean all 1 hour time frame, also 4 hour time frame, we should break the structure before you to proceed. So this if you see 4 hour broken the structure, you should wait for 1 hour to break the structure as it happened. After doing so, you just go in 15 minutes to find the 15 minutes invalidation point, or 15 minutes hidden invalidation point, or 15 minutes hidden invalidation point, basing on what is going to happen. Like you see, this was low and this was high, this was low, this was high. We proceeded to make series of highs and low until we managed to break this structure around here. Okay, this was low, this was high, this was low. I mean, let me explain. This was high. I mean, this was low, this was high, this was low, and then the price went past by breaking here, hence making this one as our 50 minutes break-off structure, making 50 minutes. This was the structure that was broken. If you want to be mature, if you come to look here, that from this highest point, when the price came, there is no any wick that triggered this. And if you try to measure from this point to here, it is more than a pip, hence making this as a valid break-off structure. That being said, make this one as our invalidation point. This one as our invalidation point. But what happened when the price broke, it did not come to test this point. Due to that, it changes the fact and make this one as our 50 minutes new invalidation point. Okay, I think is the point. After then, let's go in 3 minutes to find 3 minutes the same as 3 minutes, either find 3 minutes invalidation point or 3 minutes new validation point or 3 minutes hidden invalidation point. Okay, that being said, you come here, this was high, this was low, and until we found this breakdown here. This breakdown here. Because if you put this one was not valid, the same applies to here, was not valid. Hence, this one becomes our valid point, because when the price came, did not close the wick. Due to that, this was low, this was high, this was low, until we broke around. Broken around, making this one as our invalidation what? Invalidation point. But that being an invalidation point, when the price came, did not what? Did not get went, but when it come back, it went past. So when it went past, hence making this one as our 3 minutes hidden invalidation point. Hidden invalidation point. Yeah, just like that. That being said, just go and see on 4 hour what happened. Like you see here, this was our 4 hour time frame, how it happened. If you try to look here, that after that happened, the price went to trigger our 3 minutes and just leaving a little weak, like you see. But it started consolidating a little bit for some couple of days. Then now you see how, what happened. Like you see right now, we are in the profit around here. If you try to measure the drawdown, was just small, like here, almost like 15 pips, I mean 10 pips, and massive of 200 pips, like you see here. Guys, thank you, but don't also forget to like to our channel and get Pips FX. Don't forget also to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that if you release a new video, you will be aware of that. Thank you guys for it. I'm very happy to how it's going on, and yeah, I'm very happy with you guys. So I'll still mind you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to leave a share. Don't forget to leave your comment, so that we release another new video, you will be able to get it. Thank you, and meet you next time.